So what I was saying is, you know, there's this point in your life when you could go one way, or you could go the other way, but you don't know which one of those ways is going to really make you do the right thing. So what I devised a plan. Part of the plan was, whatever you do, don't touch the like the cracked concrete. You're not supposed to touch it. And then the other part was that you can't go outside unless the sun is at a 90-degree angle to wherever the door you're exiting is. It sounds crazy and it makes your life really hard.
Trouble, 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 trouble. Trouble been dog in my soul since the day I was born. Worry.
Doing these things that no one else has anything, they don't know any better. I mean, they just live by the seat of their pants. I have a a list of things that I have to do every day that, if I don't do them, I'm going to be screwed that day.
She won't let me go.
That little white speck on the top of bird shit? That's bird shit too.